Nothing but the truth now, nothing but the proof of what I've become. Daughter of the fallen, hell's princess calling, things that even father doesn't understand. I tried to save them from extermination day. My crown was breaking, my heart was aching when heaven's armies came. I don't know why I didn't trust myself to find another way. I broke into a million pieces when the angels fell, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in this burning hell. These scars are part of me, damnation's harmony, my voice without their lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the light passed down from morning star? I should have let my royal fire burn brighter than their scars. Show me what's underneath, I'll prove souls can be free. The song they said I'd never sing, this is what it sounds like. Shattering the silence, Vaggie stands defiant. Though she once was heaven's blade, now she fights for me. Charlastor's smiling, his motives still dividing, but none of us face judgment here alone. So we were sinners, so we were killers, so we're not angels, we're saving the demons, the fighters, no hiding behind titles. Light the hotel's fire, by your side. We broke into a million pieces when they said impossible, but now we're seeing all the beauty in the unredeemable. These scars are part of me, hell's twisted harmony, my voice without their doubt. This is what it sounds like. Why did we bow our heads when heaven's army came to kill? Stand up and let our blazing hearts prove love can conquer still. Show me what's underneath, I'll find their harmony, fearless and redefined. This is what it sounds like. When the purge comes down, this is what hope sounds like. When the radio demons around, oh, this is what it sounds like. We broke into a million pieces, but we won't stay down. Now I'm seeing past the mockery, I'll wear my royal crown. These scars are part of me, heaven's destiny, my voice without the fear. This is what it sounds like. Why did I hide away the power burning in my veins? Princess of hell with angels' dreams, I'll break these bloody chains. Show me what's underneath, I'll set every soul free, mother's song and father's might. This is what it sounds like. My voice without the fear. This is what it sounds like. Fearless and crown held high. This is what it sounds like. Hope after genocide. Our voices unified when darkness meets morning starlight. This is what it sounds like.